Hello, my name's Mark Kirkland and I make metal sculptures. Located in Forestville, New York, which is about 30 miles west of Buffalo. So, I have a project here that's underway. That'd be interesting to take you through the steps of the creation. This is a large praying mantis made out of 5/8 rebar, and now I'm in the process of doing the fill-in work, putting sheeting on the body, and we have to do the wings, neck, arms, finish the head, start the head, and so on. So I wanted to show the tools that I use here and the materials. I use a heavy hammer for shaping. Um, Pliers come in handy, chipping, hammer, channel locks, vice grips, welding goggles, welding rod. I use a 6013 for metal that's not pristine, not new metal, but used metal. Got to have a ball peen hammer. One of the most important things that I use is this old rim, this old tire rim. So I'll use that for shaping, which I'll be showing you later. But it's kind of like an anvil, but it works better for my application because it's got the ridges in it, the grooves, so it makes shaping easier. Over here we have my Lincoln arc welder. It's probably about, I don't know, 50, 60 years old, but it's hanging in there. It's very dependable. Here's a completed project that I do. It's these bird feeding stations made out of rebar. The birds love them, so that works out well. Anyway, we'll go over here and show you the material I use for the actual sheeting, which is metal from an old metal silo. So it's thick enough that if you're careful with your welding, you're not going to burn through it all that often. I mean, it happens, but if you can see, it's been around a while, so it's got a patina to it, which works for the things that I make. It gives it that aged look, and that was totally unexpected when I got it. But sometimes when you're doing this kind of stuff, things just surprise you on the good side. So got some welding gloves, oxygen acetylene for cutting. Here's the rebar. This is actually reclaimed rebar from a set of porch steps. It was in the concrete, that's why it's white. I usually use this new rebar. It's 1/2 inch, 5/8, and get it from the local hardware store. It's relatively inexpensive compared to everything else today, so wanted to do an intro video. I have some completed projects, but I wanted to take people through the step-by-step process because might be somebody out there who wants to give it a shot. It's not all that complicated. Just Takes some patience. Think some things out, but I'm kind of like a self-taught guy at this, so it's fun, you know, and that's why I continue to do it. Oh well, I'll give you an update later. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.